Good morning, you guys. I thought I would vlog another week in the life of an internal auditor. You guys seem to really like my other vlogs. They've done pretty well for my channel, so I'm gonna be vlogging this week. It's Monday, March 2nd. I really hope I don't regret saying that date because let's face it, I might end up uploading this in June. It happens, you know. But it's a really nice day in Pittsburgh. It's sunny and it's about 40 degrees. I've got on this yellow cardigan and a navy Portofino tank.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see.
It is 6:20. I am wearing a gingham striped blue blouse from Express with a little tie right here. I really like it. The only thing is you have to be careful you tie it high enough. So tie it high enough so that it doesn't get loose. It has two different prints. I'm wearing navy skinny pants from Loft, and I'm actually kind of early for once.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
So it is 7:20 and I just got to my garage. It was actually a really quick commute today. It was a little bit rainy, but I made it here in an hour, which is pretty good. And then I'm gonna go walk into work, so I should be right on time at 7:30, if not a little bit before. And I will try to catch up with you guys after work and kind of explain what I do day to day and what I'm working on if you guys are interested in that. This lighting in this garage is awful. It's so like hazy and bright, so sorry for that. It's about 4:35 and I'm sitting in traffic. It is pouring down rain. I guess we're getting, I don't know, some of those storms maybe that were in Nashville last night. That was really crazy. Like, thoughts and prayers to everyone in Nashville. But today was just a really typical day at work. Actually, my main audit that I'm working on, I can't even tell you guys what it's about. Yes, I'm just not going to go into detail of the subject matter or anything, but I can say like what I was doing for that audit. I've been working on a ton of planning. So basically they're just different steps in the planning process, like pulling the issues reports, looking at the RCSA, any like key metrics that management has. Just been working on that for the past couple days, and we have our planning phase 3 meeting on Friday, and so that signifies that we are basically halfway done with planning. Guys, it is Wednesday and today is my work from home day. At my job, I get 2 days a week work from home on Wednesday and Friday. It's one of the biggest reasons why I switched. Today I'm working on a scoping document for our audit, so that defines what controls we're going to test, what standard audit programs we're going to complete, and we send that out to the line of business once the audit kicks off. And before that, we have our like internal scoping meeting on Friday, which we go over our planning steps and the scoping document. So I've been working on that, and I have a meeting with my manager in about a half hour to kind of go over all of the finishing details and everything like that. Pretty slow day for me. I don't have any trainings or anything like that. Next week we have a big 8-hour training day because we're switching to a new audit platform, and it's kind of a big deal, and we do a lot of our audits on a quarterly basis, so it's going to be a challenge kind of moving into Q2 and putting all of our audits in a new system. Fortunately, I only started working at my company in November, so I'm not like super used to the current system that we use. I think it's pretty outdated, so I have high expectations for the new one, but some of the people that have been working there longer than me obviously are going to be more attached to it. But we have a big training next week, and next week is going to be a lot busier. We have some data analytics meetings to kind of try to make a bot for this ACH returns testing. So I actually need to do some research for that this week to kind of know what I'm talking about, because I currently don't. I'm not very into data analytics. As I've mentioned before, like the IT aspect of audit is kind of like the least interesting aspect to me. I don't think I mentioned this yesterday because traffic was moving fast for some reason, but our CEO did give us an update on the coronavirus, and like if you travel to any of the high-risk countries, basically now it's limited to executive committee approval. But like if you have a family member or something that has gone over to China or Singapore or Japan or any of those nations, you have to work from home 14 days. It's like a self-imposed quarantine, which is kind of interesting. But I'm glad they're doing that to kind of protect us. It's really scary. I feel like I'm just getting all these notifications on my phone about like the market dropping so many points, and who knows what's going to happen. I know in Pittsburgh there are some hospitals like working on testing, so hopefully they get some tests developed soon, and hopefully if it does come around here, we can at least work from home, and they modify school schedules and whatnot. But I'm really excited also because I'm going to Myrtle Beach in a few weeks, so that's really exciting and something that I'm definitely looking forward to. But I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little update on what I'm working on and kind of how my day is going. Work from home, you're kind of expected to do everything that you do in the office just from your home. Like you can obviously dress super comfy, and you can wake up later because you don't have to commute, and it's really nice because you can just go get a snack whenever you want, throw in some laundry. But other than that, you're expected to be on meetings and be working and just basically doing everything that you would do normally at work. Life hack: always wear your headset at home. You never know whenever someone's going to call your home phone, if you still have one, someone's going to come home, random distractions, so you're a lot quieter on your headset. You guys, I was wondering why my last clip was so foggy, and it was because I talked on the phone and I got like foundation on my phone, and so I had to rub off not the camera but the actual touchscreen part, and now suddenly it's clear. That doesn't make any sense to me, but anyway, I've been really excited about this like little cozy little space back here. I picked up a few new things from Marshall, so I wanted to show them to you guys. I got this in a separate haul a while back, but this is the Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. It was $14.99 and in really good condition. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It has really, really cute packaging. It smells like pineapple, but it's not like too overbearing. It kind of smells like a suntan lotion pineapple. And I absolutely love it. It comes with this really nice mirror. Sorry for blinding you guys. And the colors are just absolutely stunning. Like this gold shimmer is so, so pretty. So is this green. I love this matte chocolate brown. These are great transition shades. I think it's just all around a really solid palette, and they give you a lot of each color. And since I only got it for $14.99, I really thought this was a steal. Did I need this palette? No, but am I going to use this palette and love it? Yes. I can't wait to see how it performs. The eyeshadow seems like really good quality. I swatched it a little bit and it looked really pretty. So I'm excited to take this on my Myrtle Beach trip. I also picked up some of my favorite shampoo, Rusk Purify. This is oftentimes really hard to find. Usually I can find the bigger bottle, but they had two of these small bottles there. I was gonna buy them both, but the other one's lid was kind of messed up, so I just bought this one. I picked up some really cute Ray Dunn merch. I got 2 notebooks, and this was $5.99, which $5.99 for 2 big notebooks I thought was a pretty good deal. One of them says Dream, and the other one says Create. I think it's important to stay inspired and kind of not as much now, but a while back I was having a lot of trouble like pushing through to my midpoint in my writing. And the midpoint is of course the dividing half of your book. So I've been working like up towards my midpoint, and I've been having a lot of trouble pushing through. So I picked these up to kind of help me outline my story a little bit more and kind of build my character arcs. And I thought that they were just really cute, inspiring. And this was also really, really cute and inspiring. I got this, it says throw kindness around like confetti, and it has little pieces of confetti in it, and that's just so cute. This was only $4.99. I love it. I think I'm gonna put it back here in my little filming area. And I got this a while back too. I think I had started to film a vlog and to show you guys, but I never finished vlogging. But I got this really cute, also at Marshall's, the same day I got that palette. It's just an initial and beaded, really like that. This candle I've had forever if you've been watching me. And then I got this silver little vanity tray, which looks really useful for different things, like you could put jewelry here, but I just kind of wanted a newer setup behind here. And I also got this think happy sign. So I just wanted to share my little Marshall's haul with you guys. And yeah, so now it is time to get back to work and get back to scope document. It is 10:42. I ended up going to the mall and Chick-fil-A with my dad and brother after work. And I didn't work out or anything today. I did a little bit of writing, took a shower, put some mousse, and did the whole scrunching routine for my hair. I've been snacking and having some sparkling water. I love seltzer waters, they're so good. Unfortunately, I'm really not tired at all because I slept 7 hours last night, and for some reason when I do that during the week, I just have a really hard time falling asleep. So I probably won't fall asleep honestly till like after midnight, which sucks because then I'm supposed to wake up at 5:30, but I always end up waking up around 6, and then that's why you never see me vlog my outfit or morning routine, because I'm always running late and running all over the place. But I just wanted to update you guys on what I've been doing on this very eventful Wednesday. Everyone, it's Friday, the end of the work week. I didn't record yesterday because I was just having a really busy and weird day. Whenever I left, I realized right as I was about to get on the highway that I had forgot my laptop at home, so I had to turn back and get it. And then I ordered Starbucks, but I drove to a Dunkin' Donuts to try to pick up my order. So it was just like one of those kind of days, and I did not vlog. But today it's rainy, it's like in the 40s, and I'm just working from home. And I've been working on pulling some reports for these volumes for planning. I did a digital download training. We have to get 20 hours of digital training starting this year and moving forward. So it's kind of nice to knock out some of those hours at the beginning of the year if you can. Today after work, me and one of my friends are going to a winery, so I'm gonna try to vlog that a little bit. We'll see what happens. So it is post-work, you guys. I have started to get ready. I just did my foundation, bronzer, and blush. I just wanted to hop on here and say I had a pretty easy afternoon finishing up my planning. So we're all good to go for our scoping meeting, which I didn't mention did get moved from today till next Tuesday. I also started the RCSA standard audit program. So I was working on that a little bit too. It's really the craziest weather outside. It's been switching from rain to snow to hail. So totally bizarre. But I'm just getting ready, and I'm wearing this gray and white turtleneck from Express that I picked up over Black Friday that I have never worn yet. I really like it because it's nice and lightweight and fitted. I'm so happy because I finally feel better. I was taking those Tati beauty supplements, and they were giving me like so much acid reflux and like indigestion and just making me feel nauseous. And I feel like any of those supplements never sit well with me, so I'm gonna have to reevaluate if I want to take them, although I think they have been helping my acne, so I don't know. I might make a sit-down video about that and kind of go more in depth. But right now I want to figure out how I want to do my eye makeup. Maybe purple? I don't know. We'll have to see. So I'm all ready. This is my tank top, my turtleneck from Express. It's just gray and white with Hudson jeans. These are the Natalie Skinny. I really love them. They're super flattering and super comfortable. I decided to kind of go bold with my makeup, and I did a purple eyeshadow with sparkles and a dark pink lip.
To talk to me is what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No.